Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. You're looking at a 2023 Can-Am Maverick XRS Turbo RR with smart shocks. We've just installed a bunch of accessories on it. Wanted to do a walk around, show you a little bit about what we've done. It's hard to not notice the aftermarket cage on there from Hindenburg. We're super excited about our partnership with them and able to offer you their stellar cages here at Big Pine. The cage does come with the front glass, as well as that nice looking roof. We can have these powder coated in any color combo that you would like. Super strong and durable. We've selected to do the whip mount tabs on there as well for those 5150s. We also have the 5150 Rocklight kit. This is an 8-pod kit. Very nice, very nice. Of course, you can change those rock lights as well as the whips, any color combo you'd like. We do have the Ryco Street Legal kit on it that is replacing those stock signature lights. And if you'll notice, those 5150s, yeah, they're integrated into the rock lights as well as the whips. Oh yeah, let's not forget those X3 blacked out lights from Ryco. Very nice, very nice. Can-Am cooler cargo box. Most people use it as a cooler. That one's designed as a cooler, but you could throw some cargo in there if you'd like. We also have heated seats. We have MB Court Stage 5 with dual subs under the seats. There's your base control knobs right there. Can-Am center bag, Can-Am door bag, as well as lower door inserts. This machine is for sale. 435-427-3338. Give us a call, shoot us a text. Check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. We got the goods. This one, just in time for Easter. Have a great day, everybody. If you have any questions about any of the accessories, be sure and post those up in the comments below, and we'll get them all answered for you. What else would you put on this beauty? Have a great day, everybody.